Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Membrane transport questions can be tricky, but we can solve this fast. Let's look at how molecules move through a phospholipid bilayer to find our correct answer. Proteins are usually very large and often carry a charge or polarity. Because of their size and chemical nature, they cannot simply diffuse across the fatty acid tails of membranes. To see transport, we need a molecule that fits. Small nonpolar solutes like oxygen or lipids pass through easily. This makes option B the perfect choice for our experimental chain. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs.